Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I decorated this butter icing cake. Very easy. If today is your first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new video. And if you also want to know how I prepared this butter icing, please don't miss my next video. That is why I say if you're new, subscribe so that you not miss the next video coming up. I'll be posting how I prepared this butter icing. To my old subscribers, you're welcome back again. Don't forget to like my video. Feel free to ask questions and feel free to share to your friends. Don't forget to also invite a friend to this channel. Let's get started. If you want to know how I prepared my butter icing, don't miss my next video. If you have not subscribed, click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell to be getting alert of my new video. Also click on all notifications so that immediately I drop the video, you will get an alert. Don't forget to click like my video, comment and ask questions. Do you want to know how I prepared the butter icing that I used in this video? Don't miss my next video. If you're new, you have not subscribed, click the subscribe button, click on notification bell, click on all notifications so that immediately I drop the video, you will get an alert. Our cake is out. So beautiful. Don't forget to like my video. Click like, comment, feel free to ask questions. Thank you so much for watching this video. Wow, so beautiful. This cake is looking presentable, beautiful and lovely. Thank you. Bye bye.